Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up your LinkedIn page as a founder using LinkedIn Pages, full guide step by step clearly. To set up your LinkedIn page as a founder, begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to the home page. In the top right corner, locate the work icon. Click on the work icon to reveal a drop-down menu. At the bottom of this menu, select Create a Company Page. You will have options for different types of pages. Choose the option that best fits your needs, likely small business or medium to large business. Enter your company name in the designated field. Ensure the name you enter matches your business branding. Add your company's LinkedIn public URL in the next field. This URL should be simple and easy to remember. Next, upload your company logo. The recommended size for your logo is 300 by 300 pixels. Add a banner image to visually enhance your page. The ideal dimensions for the banner are 1128 by 191 pixels. Complete the About section with a compelling description of your business. Focus on what makes your business unique and its mission. Fill in the company details such as industry, company size, and type. These details help others understand your business better. Set your page's location to target specific audiences. Consider adding additional locations if relevant. Review all the information you've provided for accuracy. Once you are satisfied, click the Create Page button at the bottom. After creating the page, you will be directed to your new company profile. This is where you can further customize and optimize. Begin by adding additional details like important links to your website or other social channels. Post engaging content to showcase your expertise as a founder. Make sure to encourage employees or team members to follow your page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.